Welcome to QBasic 1.1 Programming Tutorial. Lesson 2, Integers and Basic Arithmetic. Learn how to use the dim function. Learn how to define a variable as an integer. Learn how to add, subtract, multiply and divide a variable, and learn to print integers. Now these are things that we shall be going through this lesson. Now the first thing you would want to be doing is to define a variable as an integer. Now in QBasic and in Visual Basic we use the dim function, which goes thus: dim x as integer. X here is the name of your variable, so you can use dim I, x, or z as integer. It's all up to you, but for the purpose of this lesson we'll be defining two integers, x and y, separated by comma. Then in the following lines you can now define x and y. So you can say that x equals 5 and y equals 10. If you run the program, nothing will happen because, well, we haven't used a print function to actually print out the integers. So what you'll do here is you can do print x, print y, and you'll get 5 and 10 on the screen. For simplicity's sake, I'll just clear the screen at the beginning of the program every time. Now, you can also use arithmetic in this programming language, or well, in all programming languages for that matter. What you do is do print x plus y to get 15, print x minus y, print x times y, and print x divided by y. And you see you get all your answers up there. If you define a third variable, z as integer, you can go ahead and do z equals x, y divided by x, for example. Let's get rid of these two statements here. And you can print that at the end as well. So you can pre-calculate your integers. And there you go. You can also include strings with your print function. Thus, if you do x plus y equals x plus y, you'll get x plus y equals x plus y, which is 5 plus 10 equals 15. As you can see here, we will also do x. We can actually copy this statement. We'll use the copy function. We highlight it, edit, copy, and now we can go ahead and, of course, paste, paste, and paste. All you have to do is just change the functions here to have the program display the operations as they should. There you have it. Let's just add this there. There we go, to line it up. So there you have it, basic maths, integers, and printing the string with the integer, which was not something that I planned to show you today, but I think it would be very useful. Go ahead and save the program. And there you have it.